Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ready to join Underdog Fantasy? Let me show you how to create an account in just a few simple steps. First of all, download the Underdog Fantasy app from the App Store or Google Play Store or visit underdogfantasy.com. Once you are on the app or site, tap on the sign up button to get started. Enter your email address, create a username and password, and provide your date of birth. Make sure your details are accurate. If you have a promo code, type it in here to unlock special offers. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then hit create. That's it, you are all set to explore Underdog Fantasy and start playing. Good luck and have fun. Thanks for watching.